Let's solve another medium level problem from LeetCode. It's a 31 problem from LeetCode. It's a next permutation, and we also see in the last video how to find the permutation of the given numbers. And here we need to find out next permutation. We can also see the companies, they ask this question. This is the list. Okay, let's try to understand and find the way to solve this problem. So the problem says next permutation. So here if the numbers given like 1 to 3, then the permutation can be 1 to 3, and then this 3 to swap 1 3 2. Again we'll swap this 2 1 2 1, and then with the 2 3. So this is the permutations here. In this example, if you see the 1 to 3, then we swap 2 3 in order 1 3 2. So this is the next permutation. So in this way, for the 3 2 1, 1 to 3 will be the next permutation. It's like 3 2 1. Yeah, so from the 3 2 1 again, this is the 1 to 3. So 1 to 3 will be the next permutation. So one of the way we may think, based on the previous video, we can find all the permutations of this given number, and we can sort this in the order how we got the permutation, and then we can find the next. So that is the, that can be also possible, but that won't be the optimized solution. So here we do not have to find all the permutations, we just need to find the next permutation. So there is some number given and we need to find the next permutation. So there is an algorithm for this. So let's write the algorithm. So the algorithm is, what we do, here in this number, in algorithm, the first step is we find the next, or we find first decreasing number from the end. So that's the step 1 in the algorithm. So if you see the 1 to 3, which is the first decreasing, this 2 is the first decreasing here. 2, right? 1 2 3, and then 2 is less than this 3. So this is the first decreasing, this is second decreasing. So this number we need to find first decreasing. So step 1, find first decreasing number. Step 2, so once we find this, then rest of the steps will do. So once we find, then we need to find out the first largest number from the end. First the largest number compared to this one. So this one is in the first step we found in the first step we found this 2 is a first decreasing number, and then from the end we find the first decreasing number, and then we are trying to find the largest number from the end, first largest number from the end that is greater than this 2. So I will say find first largest number from end greater than nums I step as per step 1. Okay, so the nums I we found 2, that's the I index, and 3 is the first greater number from the end from this 2. So that's the step 2. And then step 3, we'll swap whatever we find this largest one, this one, and then this one. We just swap this number, and then we get 1 3 2. So swap I and j. And the fourth step, if there is some remaining, then after 2, whatever, or not after 2, but we already swapped this, but we see after I. So I is here, I was here actually in this place, I value was here. So after this, whatever the number we find, we need to reverse that. So reverse numbers after I, and I index is 3. After this there is only 1, 2. If you reverse 2, we'll just get 2. So just, and then this is the answer 132. So let me implement this code based on this algorithm. So first do the reverse number function. So in a reverse number function, let's try this func reverse, and we pass this address. So we put nums star int, and then the begin is int. So we are saying the reverse after I, so whatever is I after that, and that will be the begin. And then I can say I is equal to begin, j is equal to length of star nums, minus 1, and I can check for I less than j. Then reverse this. So star nums, we need to wrap in a bracket, and this is the I, comma star nums, the j, and then we put the j this here first, comma, and then put this I at the end, and this way it will get reversed, and I plus plus j minus minus. So that is the way how we reverse. Okay, so this is the function for the reverse, we'll call that. But the first of all, let's find this one, find first decreasing number. So here I'm just considering this is the total length is 3, so 3 minus 1 2, so this is my I. So I'll just say, I'll fix the I there, I is equal to length of nums minus 2. If there are just two numbers, right, so if there is a one number, there is no point. If there is a 2, and if you do that 2 minus 2, that's 0, that's still valid. But and for the two numbers also doesn't matter, it will be very easy, 1 2 for 2 1. But there are three numbers, so in that case we're just checking more than 3 or more than 3. In that case also, here we are checking length nums. So this is the length of this nums minus 2, so that means minus 2 is 3 minus 2 1, so 0 1 index here. We fix this here. I'm saying, I'm just considering this is my first decreasing number from the end. I'm just considering this, so I just put that. And if it is not the case, then I do the I minus minus. So if it is not the case, then for I greater than equal to 0 and nums I, so here we'll do nums I. So I can just say the nums I is this number. If nums I is greater than equal to, I'm just thinking, okay, this is the second descending or decreasing number, but if it is greater, this is greater than other one. If num I greater than equal to nums I plus 1, that's the next one, I plus 1. If this is the case, then I minus minus. Yeah, so I consider this is the my first decreasing number from the end, but this, if this is not the case, then go I minus minus. That's the logic I put here. And now I'm checking if I greater than equal to 0, that means step 1 is successful. Then in that case, we need to find out the largest number from the end compared to this AI. So initially I just said, okay, j is equal to length of nums minus 1, length of minus 1, and that I say okay, that is the, let's consider this is the largest number. Okay, and then if this is not the case, then I will decrease the j also, or come back here. So that's why I'm just going to add the logic for that. So for I can just check if j greater than equal to 0 and j, so if j or nums j this value I consider this is the largest, so nums j is less than equal to nums I, so that should be greater than I, but if it is less than equal to nums I, then I can just say j minus minus. Okay, so we are done for this, and then after that swap ij, so nums I comma nums j nums I, and then that done, and at the end we can call this fourth reverse. I can pass nums, and then I can pass I plus 1 because I want the next number to reverse after I. So I is here after swapping this number, and I is here, so after that whatever the value is that I want to reverse that. So let's run it. Oh, address, we need to pass the address. Okay, accepted and submit. We can see the Java solutions also here. Same logic I have put here. Algorithm, find the first let me show this problem description. Yeah, so from here, yeah, find the first decreasing element from the end. So first I consider, okay, this is my decreasing element, first decreasing, and if it is not the case, then I minus minus. If we found that, like if we find I, then second find the first largest element. So for that I consider j, same logic here. So last one I consider, that's the first largest element from the end, from the right, that's compared to nums I. If it is not the case, j minus minus, swap the number and then reverse. And here is a function for the swap and the reverse. So that's all for now. Thank you.